Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate to Tailscale on Windows with device approval. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To authenticate to Tailscale on Windows with device approval, start by ensuring Tailscale is installed on your Windows PC. Open the Tailscale application from the Start menu or your desktop. Once the application is open, click on Login. You will see options for logging in using your preferred authentication method. Select the desired method, such as Google, Microsoft, or another configured identity. A web browser will open to facilitate the authentication process. Enter your credentials for the selected method and click Sign In. After successfully logging in, return to the Tailscale application. You may see a prompt indicating that your device requires approval. Check your email or notification for an approval request from Tailscale. In the approval request, click on the provided link to approve your device. You will be redirected to a confirmation page. Once approved, go back to the Tailscale application on your Windows PC. You should see a message confirming that your device is now authenticated. If everything is set correctly, your device will establish a secure connection to the Tailscale network. You can now access other devices on your network, depending on your permissions. Congratulations, you have successfully authenticated to Tailscale on Windows with device approval. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.